Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. So, in the beginning, before the creation, God is existing, and after the creation, when the creation is annihilated, He will be existing. This is called transcendental.
Report. The position of the Lord is always transcendental, because the causal and effectual energies required for the creation
For creating this earth, it was impersonal. There was no hand, there was no neck, there was no body, the same cloth. But the tailor, according to the body, made a covering of this hand, and this looks like a hand. This covering of the chest looks like a chest. Therefore, the impersonal means the material covering. Otherwise, spirit soul is personal. Let's say you go to the tailor, according to your body, the tailor will cut a coat. This coat, ingredients of the coat, the cloth, that is impersonal. But it is made like a person, covering of the person. In other words, the spirit soul is person. As much as God is also person. Imperson means the covering. Try to understand. The covering is impersonal, not the living being who is covered. He is not impersonal. He is person. Very simple example. The coat shirt is impersonal. But the man who is putting on coat and he is not impersonal. He is person. So, how God can be impersonal? The material energy is impersonal. That is explained. That is explained in the Bhagavad-gita. Maya tatamidam sarvam jagat abbaktamurti. This jagat is abbakta, impersonal. And that is also energy of Krishna. Therefore he says, I am expanded in the impersonal form. That impersonal feature is Krishna's energy. So the material covering is impersonal. But the spirit soul or the super soul is personal. Any question in this? This very intricate question. Anyone? If there is any difficulty to understand.
Because I have heard so many of these so-called yogis in English about Gita or this and that, but they cannot explain. They have not even an inkling.
I don't know how they can explain.
They don't have an inkling.
They cannot touch even Bhagavad-gita. They have no qualification.
They
are speaking of Bhagavad-gita as artificial.
Yes.
They cannot speak because the real qualification, as it is stated in the Bhagavad, Bhaktosi, one must be devotee, then he can touch What is Bhagavad-gita?
Even in Mayapur, when we went to visit that time Sridhar Swami's ashram, and he spoke something in English, and some other man spoke in English, they cannot explain like you. You are the only one that when you speak this knowledge, it becomes immediately enters into the ear and into the heart, and then it is realized.
Maybe.
Yeah. Yeah.
Vishaka, you think also like that?
Without a doubt.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama.